Guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your liked videos private on your TikTok app. It's really easy, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so go on your TikTok app, and then you need to press on the me and on your profile that is on a bottom right. And then once you're here, you need to press on three little dots that is on the top right corner. And then what you need to do here is to press on privacy here, the second option, and then you need to scroll down until you see this one, who can view your liked videos. And as you can see here, for me is only me. So if you press on the button, as you can see here, there's two options. Everyone can watch your private liked videos and only me. So if you want to make your videos liked videos private, press on only me, and that's pretty much it. Your liked videos will be private. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.